Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Today I got this book. It's called 1000 Animals, and today we'll play a game. And it's called Find the Animals in the Rainforest. Can you find the giant squirrel? Here! Can you find the South American tapir? Right here! Monkeys and apes. Can you find the woolly monkey? Yep, it's over there. Can you find the bald-headed ukari? Over here. African animals. Can you find the dwarf mongoose? There it is. Can you find the East African oryx? There it is. Australian animals. Can you find the holly-crossed toad? Over there. Can you find the squirrel glider? Right over here. Arctic animals. Can you find the Arctic lynx? This one. Can you find the Alaskan moose? This one. Antarctic animals. Can you find the giant isopod? It's that one. Can you find the king penguin? Right here. In the mountains. Can you find the Barbary sheep? It's this one. Can you find the guanaco? There. Creepy crawlies. Can you find the common cockroach? There it is. Can you find the eyed ladybird? Here. Flying insects. Can you find the large white butterfly? This one. Can you find the fruit fly? Right here. On the farm. Can you find the Indian game hen? There. Can you find the share horse? There. Animals at home. Can you find the domestic guinea pig? There. Can you find the guppy? Right here. All kinds of birds. Can you find the great harrier? Here. Can you find the kiwi? There. In the trees. Can you find the red ruffled lemur? There it is. Can you find the great hornbill? Over here. Spots and stripes. Can you find the ring-tailed cat? There. Can you find the eastern quoll? Right there. Can you find the honey badger? Right over here. Can you find the minke whale? There it is. Horns and antlers. Can you find the blue wildebeest? It's right there. Can you find the sacred deer? This is it. In the woods. Can you find the wild boar? There it is. Can you find the American black bear? It's this one. In the desert. Can you find the desert horned viper? It's this one. Can you find the addax? There. Lizards. Can you find the eastern tree skink? It's this one. Can you find the armadillo lizard? It's here. Slithering snakes. Can you find the egg-eating snake? Right. This is it. Can you find the Burmese python? There. In the pond. Can you find the European common toad? Here. Can you find the giant water bug? Here. Rivers and lakes. Can you find the Amazon River dolphin? Here. Can you find the gharial? It's up here. Under the sea. Can you find the loggerhead sea turtle? Here. Can you find the bottlenose dolphin? Right here. And fish in the sea. Can you find the binocular parrotfish? There it is. Can you find the fangtooth? Right here. On the seashore. Can you find the blenny? It's right there. Can you find the Atlantic puffin? Here. Under the ground. Can you find the naked mole rat? It's right there. Can you find a warthog? Here. Night creatures. Can you find the aardvark? There it is. Can you find the nighthawk? There. Now we have a list of animals from 1 to Z. A to Z. then we have more animals in the back. And this is printed in China. And it's based on Felix though. Okay. Thank you for watching for my video. Please subscribe. Bye.